Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making some healthy and yummy moong dal pakoras, and these are not deep fried, and moong dal is really good for your body. It's very light on your stomach, and this is a very yummy and delicious dish. I try to somehow turn all the tasty, like I love moong dal pakoras, so I try to make the healthier version somehow of all the dishes that I love, and you are definitely going to love this recipe. So without further ado, let's get started. So to start off, I've taken 2 cups of soaked moong dal. I had soaked it overnight. You need to soak it for at least 4-5 hours and strain all the water. Then I'm adding in 3 green chilies. Then adding in 1 inch of ginger chopped, 5 garlic cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of ASAFOETIDA or HEENG, 1/4 teaspoon of GARAM MASALA, and salt to taste. We are going to grind it all and we'll get a paste. Now I'm adding in 1 chopped onion and 1 chopped green chili. Now I'm mixing it all, and I'll also be adding some fresh coriander, and we'll give it a good mix. Now I'm greasing my steamer plate with ghee. There's water beneath the plate. Now I'm just putting the pakoras on the steamer plate, just like you do it in your kadhai, like you make your pakoras and you deep fry them. You need to do the same thing on the steamer plate. Now let them steam on medium flame for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, once they are done, you need to remove them from the plate. Use a spoon or a knife to remove them from the plate. Now I'm greasing a non-stick pan with some ghee. You can use oil or ghee, anything that you prefer. Now adding in a small onion. Then just adding the steamed moong pakoras that we just made. And we are going to pan fry these, adding in a pinch of turmeric, a pinch of red chili powder. Now cooking it on low to medium flame until they are golden brown. Now you'll notice a slightly golden color. When you notice that, switch off your flame and add some chaat masala, and it's done. You can serve it with some green chutney, and it will go very well along your cup of tea, coffee, or maybe buttermilk as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such recipes. Happy cooking. Bye bye.